Hi guys, I was gifted this dash camera from the seller so I could show you all its cool features. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and we're going to go ahead and install it. There should be a pretty simple setup here. So it does come with instructions. And here's the dash camera. Looks really nice. It did have a backing on the back with a QR code to scan for like instructions and stuff. Here is your cigarette lighter charger for it. It comes with a plastic piece to mount to your windshield. It also comes with a backup camera if you want that to video behind you. Comes with a little tool here and the mounting plate, plus some 3M stickers here. So let's go ahead and get this thing mounted to the front windshield. So we're going to start this up. And we're just going to put that on the windshield, get the bubbles out of it. All right, the next step is we're going to put on this mount right here. Take off the 3M backing here. And we're gonna just set it right in place there. We're gonna go ahead and take the electrical cord out. Plug it in right here. And we'll plug it down into the cigarette lighter. Now this tool right here, you can use it to like push wires into crevices like this, so you can get them out of the way. I'll fix that up in a minute. All right, guys, we got it installed. It does come on and off your dash really easily. It's got that mount there. And so I just wanted to show you that it was very easy to install. It does have an app if you need to pull the videos from it. Or it does come with an SD card. It's a 64 gigabit SD card, so that's a pretty big one. So this one will just sit there and loop record. And so if you ever need it, you'll have the footage right there. Available to give to the police. If you guys are in the market for a dash camera, this one's very easy to install and you're gonna love it. Thanks.